Surely everyone would like to go fly a kite high up into the sky, but not many people know the fascinating details about the kite flying thread. Well, let's take a look at the kite thread making process. The thread making process starts with selecting 100% high quality glace cotton threads. After that, to make the thread very strong, a liquid mixture is prepared. Then the mixture consistency is checked and it is sieved into a bucket and transferred to a coating pan. Afterwards, glass powder is also added to the mixture to make the sharp thread. Next, colour is added and the mixture is well mixed. Here we see that the winding strands are fitted for winding the coated thread. Now, the glazed cotton thread reel is placed on a stand and passed through the mixture and fitted to the winding stand. Next, the thread winding process starts. And here we see the black coloured flying thread making process. As well as that, red and pink coloured kite flying threads are also made by the same process. Here we see that the colourful threads are also wound to the stand. At this stage, all the winding stands are left in the sunlight to dry properly. Here we see the kite string spools are prepared for winding. This thread winding process is automatically done on spools. Now, dried threads from the winding stand are attached to the kite string spool. And here we see how the threads are wound on kite string spool. Again, the same process is repeated to make the different coloured kite spools. Now, all the kite string spools are ready. Then, brand-named printed stickers are applied on two sides of the string spool. As well as that, another printed sticker is applied with the name and logo. After that, shrink wrap is applied and the kite string spools are packed. Finally, the kite string spools are ready with shrink wrap and are sent to storage. And then you can enjoy the kite flying festival.